Hello viewers, something's wrong with this fan. I mean, I took the blade off and stuff, but for some reason it's making a really weird noise. Listen to this, hold on. That don't sound right. It really don't sound right. You listen to it. I hope I didn't mess up the fan. This fan is a really good fan. Gotta put it back on like this because the motor's like real hot for some reason. I don't know why the motor's so hot. I mean, it's very, I didn't really need any oil. Bro, if this thing catches fire, that is not gonna be good. And I'm gonna be getting in trouble for it because I'm the one who's messing with this fan last. Let me put you guys down real quick. I don't have my tripod with me right now. And also, I don't really want to show my body right now because I'm not wearing a shirt. And here it is, how it sounds with the blade on. It's like, I hope one of the windings aren't messed up because that can't be good. That wouldn't be good. Let's do it one more time. Now I'm gonna do a start up sound from the back and see if it makes that noise behind the back, on the back. Sorry if it's not okay, but I can't tell. This fan's making a lot of weird noise. So, yeah. I mean, I don't know what I would have done to mess it up. But apparently something's messed up. So, bye.